Alright guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the 2 Jelly Squish Fidget toy. Yeah, okay, so let's open it. 2, 3, 2, 1, go! These 2 jelly ones. So let's open another one. It's a hand squish fidget toy. Oh my god. Let's see what he can open that one. Let's see. Another one. Let's try with both hands. Let's see what the another one. Whoa. 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 Ah. Get out of here. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Let's see what I can catch. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a look like a Spider-Man web. Yeah. Hey you. Whoa. Whoa. Get out. Camera. Boom. Get out here. Yeah. Get out. Get out of here. Cool. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. So bye.